Hello everybody, this is Gary with Nelson's Lite-Brite, and I'm getting ready to show you how I do this step by step. You might even want to buy the product after I show you how easy this is. So I'm going to hand the video over to Denise. We already taped it up, and that's just to keep just overspray and stuff like that. And I'm going to show you where you can use natural products you can get stuff from Walmart and cars, auto parts place to get this, but the product that I'm selling is in those bottles right there. That's the main thing. So I'm gonna give it over to Denise. Here you go, Denise, and she's gonna help me show you how this goes. And we all need it. I had an accident in my little PT Cruiser one night. I left the main highway, and GPS, faithful GPS, sent us into a service road in the dark, and I saw a guardrail. I swerved, and to keep from hitting the guardrail, when I straightened up, I went straight out in the street in an area that I didn't know anything about. So we're gonna get it started here. I'm just gonna start out with our product. We get both of them wet. Okay. So those of you that do buy the product or want to even get into the franchise that I'm putting together, you can do this anywhere in the world. So you can take a bottle of this here and just some tape, masking tape, steel wool, okay, and some rags, and you're ready to go. Okay, I'm gonna soak this one again, and we're gonna start cleaning. This is actually gonna take the main coating off, and you just use it like you clean a skillet. So that eventually frost over here. A lot of people want to use bug spray and off and toothpaste. Well, what I'm doing right now is taking all that junk off. I don't think she used it, but if you have done that, I'll take it off so you don't have to worry about it. So we'll let that one sit. It's gonna look ugly before it look good. And then also it looks just like chalk when it comes off. Okay. We're looking pretty good over here. I think we're just about where we need to be. So I'll wipe it off. It's part of your headlight coming off right there. No matter what you've done to clean it, that top coat must come off.